Welcome to RaiGurku.com. In this video, we'll talk about another project management tool that is Monday.com. We'll walk you through from start to end how we can create the account and how we can use Monday.com for our project management requirement. If you want to learn more about other project management tool, feel free to refer my Jira playlist, which is again a project management tool. By using that, you can manage your end-to-end projects. So let's get started with today's video. For creating an Monday.com account, you can navigate into the Monday.com and from there, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will ask you to enter your username and password. Post entering the password details, it will send an confirmation message or email to your email ID. Once you'll confirm, you'll be able to navigate into this page. If you want to create your own projects, you can start always with all templates, and from here you can see plenty of the templates available. If you want to use for the email marketing, you can use this templates. You wanted to use for the basic training, you can use it. Work calendar will give you this detail highlight. If you are working into the legal or marketing team, you can always feel free to use it. Even money.com has several other templates available like sales and CRM, freelancers, design, software development, product management, HR, and manufacturing. These templates are helping you to use for based on your requirement. If you are working into the HR team, you don't need to create from the scratch. Monday.com has already inbuilt templates are available. By using that, you can make your life easier. Whenever you will select any of these templates, it will ask you to enter the details like this. Use these templates, enter the details, and post entering these details, it will create this project for you. Here, directly navigated us to the work calendar because I was looking for the work calendar. And here you can see all those calendar related details or data are available. Now, I've already created one projects. I wanted to work within that project. So I will navigate into this project where you can see it's very beautiful color templates are available where you can see status are marked in working on it, done, stuck, priorities, everything you can see very easily. It's self-explanatory. By using this, you can always work on a quicker goal. Now, to start with this is your home account where you can see complete home page, what's going on, who all are working, which all are your recent projects. And you can also see quick search options like give feedbacks, everything is available here. If you wanted to manage your workspace, it means the complete environment. You can always click on workspace and manage it accordingly. If you want to edit any of your workspace, you can edit it. If you want, you can add a new workspace. Totally depending on your permissions and rule, you will be able to add it. Once we have this projects available, you can see this is the main table. If you want, even you can jump into the board view where board view is giving you flexibility to work according to the methodologies. Here, at the time of creating this projects, I created like a software development projects. That's the reason I can see Kanban board. If you want, even you can create as a Scrum board as well. Now here, if you want, you can move to the folder, move to the workspace, change board type. So even this is shareable, or if you want, you can keep it to private mode as well. Adding favorite, duplicate this board. If you want, you can duplicate this board, board structure only or structure items or everything you can duplicate it. So total depending on your project's requirements, you can create a duplicate and based on that, you can start using it. Whenever you are searching for any items, you can always add the item name or ID you will get from this here. If you want to add any persons within your teams, you can always add those members or the team members who is present here. Inside the filter, you will get plenty of the filters available. You want to apply the filter based on the group, name, ownership, status, due date, everything is listed here. Even shorting option is also available. Whenever you want, you can add the short sections and it will be quickly available for you. Hide or conditional coloring, you can also see these informations. These are your status color codes, which is visible here. Whenever you want, you can customize it. So as of now, it's status, or even you can apply this color code based on the priority divided by show battery. Everything is listed here, and even the task as well. As of now, I'm reverting it back to color code based on the status. Now, here you can also integrate with other third-party add-ons, which is listed under monday.com. Inside the automate sections, you will have plenty of by default automations available. But if you want to build your own end-to-end automations, you can also do it very quickly. Now, from this sections, you can see Power of Board, where you can switch to the board view, dashboards, automations, or marketplace applications, where Monday.com marketplace creators are creating the regular contents or regular applications to making Monday.com's user life easier. Notification scheme, if you want, you can even modify the notification stream, or if you want, you can keep mute all notifications. That is also fine. I mean, that's doable. Inside the settings, you can always change the name of your board. If you want, you can add inside the favorite, change board type, default item values, create item via emails or archiving. Inside the more actions, you have save as templates, export board to Excel file, include updates and send copy on email. So these options are available. Whenever you want to share the feedback or any thought about this tool, you can always share within the team members. Here, if you want, you can see update feed, inviting the team members whenever you want to add or remove any of your team members. You can see it from the invite to work management board. Inside the monday.com marketplace applications, you can find it out. Plenty of applications are available, which you can use it. Here, you can even create new board. Let's consider I wanted to create new board. I can see the privacy actions as main, private or shareable. If you want, you can keep it shareable, else you can always select the main or create the private. Whenever you wanted to create a board which you don't want to share with anyone else, keep always private mode. Select what you are managing in this board. You can select either items, campaigns, creatives, client, leads, budget, any informations, whichever informations you want, you can use it. Let's consider I want to manage the employee. I will create the board, and based on that, I will see the informations of this board are listed as per the employee node. Item 1, 2, 3, and here we can see the person name, where even we can customize the people column, adding descriptions, restricting column editing, everything we can do it very quickly, and it's very user friendly UI which we can use it for the customizations. Here, exactly same thing. If I want, I can do it with the other columns, like scrolling this, just hold this and scroll this and move left or right. If you want, even you can add new columns on clicking plus icon. Now here, even you can add insert a new documentations or start with the templates options. Inside the dashboards, even you can create dashboard sections, and within this dashboards, you can add your important or regular used informations, whichever you want. Here we have plenty of gadgets available like battery, Gantt chart, files, gallery, applications, or chart. Any gadgets you want, you can add it. And based on the added filter or informations, you can see the records available. At any point of time, you want to delete any of those boards, you can always select delete options, and that board will be deleted for you to make your life cleaner or to make your instance cleaner. Search options here available. Here from the sections, you can change your board settings or view settings. So whenever you want, even we can create a new view like calendar view, chart view, Gantt view, whichever informations you're looking for or whichever view you're looking for, you will get those informations highlighted here. And based on this, you can see even the filter is loaded or uploaded into monday.com. So monday.com is a very user friendly UI, and you can use it for your end to end project management perspective. If you want me to create more content related to monday.com, that's like Jira, for which I built more than 300 plus video. If you want me to create detailed tutorial sessions, feel free to add in the comment sections. Based on your comments, I will be happy to create more videos related to monday.com. But again, I will repeat, if I will get the comments, then only I will be able to proceed it further. Else, I will pause here creating more videos on monday.com. Thank you for watching. And if you think so, this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle.